we've got a camera. And you can see on the monitor there, they're the bells that we actually ring. And you can see some are mouth upwards and some are mouth downwards. So if anyone feeling strong? Right. Don't need a hat to do it. Give it a call. You look on the screen. Not making any sound though, is it? That's enough, thanks. Can you see, that's the bell that you started to pull. Okay? And it's not making any sound.
That was all weak.
No. It's because before we can ring it, the bell needs to be in the mouth up position. Then we can ring the bell. So if somebody could ring 1 or 2. Sure. Now if you can see the monitor there. No, that's number 2. John's going to ring number 1. Sure. Oh, okay, I think the sound. Okay. That's what it's like to ring. And until we get the bell in the up position, which is why your bell didn't ring, we get it in the up position, then it rings. You may see there's pieces of wood across the clapper. You see that? We've got a computer system here, a simulator system, that allows us to ring the bells. They sound here, but not outside. Because the folk singers would be put off by ringing. Okay, any questions so far?
Yeah, I used to live when I went to the bells. Did this actually do practicing every night?
Not every night, but yes, we do practice a lot. Does it seem like every night?
No, it was so perfect, I thought it was fake.
No, it's not a tape. It's us doing this. We practice up here normally Saturdays in the mornings. That's it.
Keep us going. Go. We did that on purpose, St. John, didn't we? To keep him company.
Yeah. Okay, so that's how we ring.
You can see the 2 clock faces. There's one behind the clock and one over there. And we have to wind it up every week with that. Who wants to wind it up now? Save me the job tomorrow. Can you reach? Come around this side. No. Come around this side. Get your hand to me out and we'll do it together, shall we?
It is rich.
Okay. Now, you're winding up 2 big weights from the floor below that come up on those wires. Don't look over there. Need a bus and
Right. Okay. So that's all there.